Hello everyone, today I'm going to show to you how to draw a bird's wing. First step, draw the shape of the wing, and then next we start to draw the line within the shape of the wings. Make sure the line we draw within the shape of the wings not exceed to the boundary that we just drew earlier. Now we start to draw a feather one to another. So the line that we just drawn earlier is help us to draw the shape of the feather. So here is the first wing on the right. Now I'm going to show you how to draw once more on the left side of the bird wings. And lastly, we start to shade the shape of the wings so that is coming up to the form of the bird's wings. Okay everyone, hope you enjoy this video and learn from this tutorial. Don't forget subscribe to this channel. Hope to see you again. See you soon.